Come back to help her dad. Today, we're diving into QuickBooks Online, a powerful tool designed to help you manage your business finances effectively. A crucial aspect of this management involves invoices. Invoices are your key to getting paid promptly and maintaining a professional image with your clients. So, in this guide, we'll walk you through the process of creating and customizing invoices within QuickBooks Online to suit your specific business needs and ensure you get paid on time, every time. Right, let's dive into creating a basic invoice in QuickBooks Online. Start by clicking the plus, New button, and then select Invoice under the Customers section. Now, let's fill in the essential fields. First, choose your customer from the drop-down menu, or add a new one if they're not already in your system. Then, enter the invoice date, which is the date you're issuing the invoice. Next, specify the due date, indicating when payment is expected, and configure your payment terms, such as net 30. In the Product/Service section, select the items you're billing for from your product or service list, and add a detailed description of each item. Enter the quantity of units or hours you're billing for, and then specify the rate, which is the price per unit or hour. The amount will be automatically calculated for you by multiplying the quantity and the rate. QuickBooks will then calculate the subtotal, which is the total before tax. If applicable, select the appropriate tax rate. And finally, you'll see the total, which is the final amount due. You can also add a personalized message to your customer and upload any supporting documents as attachments. When you're ready to save and send, you have several options. Save saves the invoice as a draft. Save and send emails the invoice to the customer, and you can configure the email message before sending. Save and new saves the current invoice and opens a new blank invoice. Save and close saves the invoice and closes the invoice window. It's always a good idea to thoroughly review the invoice before sending it to ensure accuracy. Let's delve into customizing your invoice templates. To begin, navigate to the Settings menu, which is represented by the gear icon, and then select Custom Form Styles, located under the Your Company section. Here, you'll be able to choose a template, either by exploring the pre-designed options that QuickBooks Online provides, or by starting with a blank template if you prefer complete customization. Moving on to branding and design, make sure to upload your company logo to reinforce your brand identity. Next, select a color palette that aligns with your brand's visual aesthetic and choose readable and professional fonts to ensure clarity. Don't forget to give your template a descriptive name, so you can easily identify it later. For content customization, tailor the header with your company information and add essential details in the footer, such as payment terms and disclaimers. You can also select the columns you want to display, like SKU, quantity, and rate, and even add custom fields for any specific invoice details you might need. Finally, let's customize your email communications. Craft a clear and concise email subject line and write a professional and friendly message in the email body. Also, consider if you want to include a PDF attachment of the invoice for your customer's convenience. Let's delve into some of the more advanced features available to you when creating invoices in QuickBooks Online, beginning with recurring invoices. This powerful feature allows you to automate the invoice generation process for customers who require regular billing, such as on a monthly or quarterly basis. You can set the frequency of these invoices to match your customers' needs and also specify the start and end dates for the recurring schedule. Next, consider integrating invoice payments with various payment gateways like QuickBooks Payments, PayPal, or Stripe. This integration enables your customers to conveniently pay their invoices online using either a credit card or a direct bank transfer. It also allows you to efficiently track the payment status of each invoice, and send out automated payment reminders when necessary. You can also easily apply discounts to individual items or to the entire invoice, as well as issue credit memos to your customers in cases of returns or refunds. Finally, you can also add a payment stub that details the payment options such as credit card, debit card, or bank transfer, and you can customize the details of this payment stub as well. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Helper Dad. To conclude, creating and customizing invoices in QuickBooks Online is truly essential for ensuring professional billing practices for your business. Don't forget to take full advantage of the wide array of customization options available so you can reflect your brand's unique identity and create a consistent customer experience. Also, be sure to explore the more advanced features offered by QuickBooks Online, which can significantly streamline your invoicing process, saving you time and effort. So what are you waiting for? Start creating professional invoices today and elevate your business's financial operations.